Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to create poll on Telegram. Firstly guys, you need to open a chat or a section group or maybe a channel like for example this one, and now what you need to do is to just simply type for something, and here as you can see on my right side I have free selection or free buttons. What I need to do, I need just to select the second one, and then as you can see right there I have 4 and 5 options for giving up on this selection. What I need to select is just selecting the fourth selection that says poll. Click on it. Now you can make a poll by asking a question. For example, who is better? Option 1, Ronaldo. Option B, Messi. Now also you can get settings that are multiple answers, or you can just simply add a quiz mode, and if you add the quiz mode there gonna be just one correct answer. Now guys, just go on the right upper side and click on create, and guys, we have done it. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys, have a nice day.